Welcome everyone, I'm Jonathan, XPS Product Specialist. If you're looking to keep your vehicle spotless, showroom-worthy shine, the XPS All-Purpose Cleaner and Degreaser is your go-to solution. It will instantly be the first step in any vehicle cleaning when you discover how easy it is to remove that stubborn grime. All that in just a fraction of the time. It's a simple spray and rinse application. It removes grease, oil, rust stains, soot, and dirt from the inside and outside of your vehicle. This fast-acting formula is safe to use on just about any surface, including engines, wheels, tires, and the exterior finishes of your favorite ride. Simply spray it on, let the product do its magic for 2 or 3 minutes, and then rinse. You'll see all the grime drip away. For more stubborn stains, you can let the specialized formula work for a bit longer and gently scrub with a soft bristle brush and rinse clean. As with any cleaning products, be sure to test in a hidden area on the surface you're cleaning, and avoid application on hot surfaces or in direct sunlight. All XPS Care products are geared with one ultimate goal in mind: to give you the ultimate cleaning products so your vehicle looks great while spending less time in the garage. Be sure to check the full XPS Care and maintenance lineup at xpslubricants.com. Now let's ride.